Hi everyone, welcome back to another PDQ PD. If you have opened a new Google document recently, you've probably noticed something strange on the screen. If you haven't noticed it yet, you probably will, but it's something called Smart Chips. And I'm going to show you how that works today and use a couple of examples so you can see how it works in practical practice. So I'm going to go up here to my waffle and open a Google Doc. And as soon as I open that, you will see it has the type the at sign to insert. And I'm going to start with typing a sentence. Now at this point in the sentence, I want to put an email address in here. So the first Smart Chip way you can use this is I'm going to go ahead and type in the at sign. And you see one of the first things that it starts here is with people. And it will give me a couple of frequently accessed emails here, and I can choose one of these, or I can type in another name and it will start bringing up emails. But let me just go ahead and type in my other account address, and I'll go ahead and click on that. And you can see now it adds a link there so that when I share this document with somebody, they can go to this link and find that email address pretty quickly. Over here, it's saying that this person does not have access to this document, so you'll want to give them access if you want them to be able to see this as well. I'm going to dismiss that for now. So that's the first Smart Chip, is the ability to insert an email address pretty quickly. So let's go down here, and I'm just going to click in the Add again and look at the next one. The next one here is Meeting Notes Templates. When I click this, it will take me to meetings or things I have scheduled on my calendar. And let's just pick one here. And then you see when I click that, it brings in all the information from the meeting, but it also starts to set up a template where I can add meeting notes. So that's a way to quickly get in there and have some meeting notes immediately. So that's the second way to add the Smart Chips. And then from there, you can see that it also gives you some suggested files that you can insert right in there. So let me try to see if I can use a use case here. So I just went ahead and typed in, here's the document for that, and I just kind of clicked the first thing that's there. And the advantage of doing this is that when you have that shortcut, when you scroll over it, it gives you a little preview of that file. Now you can type in the name of any file that you have in your document. It's just that the preset gives you some frequently accessed documents to see. So that's another Smart Chip. Going on down the page, basically from here on out, it just gives you some ways to pull some of these menu items down into the document. You can use the @ sign and insert a checklist. This is much quicker than going up here to the list, because I can never remember where it is, and insert a particular list. So there's a checklist. You've got a numbered list, a bulleted list. Here, under media, this is similar to the insert, except you can use just the @ sign and get immediately to the insert. So let's go here to image. And just like you can if you clicked insert image, you can look for an image. And so let's find, you could I'm just picking something here. I'm going to insert the picture right from the @ sign. Brings the picture right in. You can do the same thing for drawings, charts, tables, etc. If you wanted to insert a date, you can go right here and pick a date. Let's say, and as soon as I click that, as soon as I get there, it will add that, and I can put the link in there. And as a link, it gives me this little view here. And beyond that, you have a whole lot of things that you can use from the toolbar, like titles, subtitles. You have calendar events. You can enter headers and footers. You can put in horizontal lines. You can read all this. So this is all available right from the @ What I would encourage you to do as a lifelong learner, and I know most teachers are lifelong learners, is to just try to get a feel for that and try in the next couple of weeks as you use a Google Doc to access the smart chips and see if it's helpful to you. If it is, you'll find quickly, and I have found I've used this quite a bit, there will be some features that you use a lot. There will be some other features that you don't use at all. Hope this is helpful to you, and as always, have a great day.